Hi, I'm Mark from Survivor Filter here. We're in beautiful Georgian Bay. I wanted to talk to you briefly about the all-terrain filter and explain how the different lids work. So the dome lid that comes with it is designed to be used with the bottle, but used only with clean water without the filter. So use this, put this lid on top, use it without the filter. Now, when you want to use filtered water, take the bottle out, fill her up from the lake. Stick your filter, put the blue bottle in. Wait till we get a bit of a seal here. Let's make sure the seal works properly. Turn her over. This is a brand new filter, so you're going to see a little bit of carbon come out. That's fine as a brand new filter. A little go through. You can see there's no seal, there's no bypass. All right, let's take this water at the same time. I'll pour it right into the water cup here so you can see the quality. See, nice and clear. Came out of somewhat muggy water in Georgian Bay. Tastes delicious and it's super easy. The filter's inside of here. It's a one-stage system. This should do about 100 to 150 gallons of this type of water, maybe 150 to 200 gallons of city water. But the beauty of this filter is it's also designed for chemicals, heavy metals, other kinds of things, as well as bacteria and parasites. So it's pretty versatile.